This is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. Landlords, we're back with Uthando Nes'Thembu, right? And what is happening with Uthando Nes'Thembu is that Ulwandle is happy about the car. Ulwandle is so excited, but he's still in disbelief. Even his mom asked, "Ukuthi yini ufila kanjani?" But I like how the mom accepted the car in his presence, even though she was complaining there and there. But in his presence, it was like she is super excited for him. And Ulwandle, guys, like legit now he's my favorite. Like his humbleness, guys, like he's the most favorite child for me now. I used to like Katobile the most, but now this one is taking the cup. The humbleness. But I also appreciated umawake magamniki busiso makakhulekela imoto, like declaring all the good things. It went to show ukuthi she is a truly Christian woman when it comes to that, because she understands and believes ukuthi everything needs to be ordained by God. Ukuthi nje ibe safe. Yes, accidents might happen, but we need to still protect izinto like zasekhaya, so make sure that God is there. So yeah, no, big up so umacele on this one. Girl made me smile. The previous season we had learned ukuthi usne ufuna ukushintsha isibongo abe wakamseleko. Girl did that exactly. She changed her surname wakamseleko. But for me, it was not a big deal, even the change of surname, because she's been using umselegu in most instances. Lega shibe fine sharp yayaz, but most of the time she would say ukuthi ngusne wakamselegu. So yeah, officially umselegu by surname. Now it's the process of changing the children. Ay mara niyasenzela abazali umsebenzi. Yo, why abazali bangavele balungisa izinto vele nje basaphila ukuthi izinto zihambe smooth for thina sonke. But ke girl did what she needed to do, and she is officially wakamselegu via Home Affairs. K gets the award of Mom of the Year, guys. Ungafundisa umntwana ngebest car yakho driver. Like girl is like teaching her daughter to drive with the car, and I'm like, angeke shem angeke. But I loved that. Yes, like we miss out on these little opportunities of mom and dad. Like MaKhumalo, guys, is my favorite. Ne? Even if I critique her way, I feel good to know la we are short left, but I like she's my favorite. Her heart. Yo, I love it. Like, but she always makes sure that she is there in the best moments. Zomtanake. Yo, I loved that part. Like that scene, I loved it. On this show, right, Umselegu seems to be a very present father. Like in one way or the other, in his own unique way, he seems like to be a present father. So but I loved, like, guys, did you see Umnini actually crying on the session, like on the couch when there were interviews? Like Umnini was like literally crying, and then at the end of the whole interview, Ukai was wiped one tear and smiled. Kiriyo Umnini yafana noSibindi. No, Umnini is his brother's brother. Like why ngibona ama traits kaSibindi kancane kumnini, guys. Angazi yazini ngicela ngitsheleni, correct me if I'm wrong, but like I'm seeing Umnini a lot kuSibindi, and this boy is so clever, because he's like, I'm gonna get it one way or the other. I'm going to ask your teacher if you are now behaving. If she agrees and says now you're behaving, then I'm gonna get to that piano. And he's like, no, the piano must not be based on my teacher's feedback. The piano must be based on my work abilities. And besides ukuthi ngiyahlupha, angizenzi mina ukuthi ngiyahlupha, khona into engaphakathi kwami engenza ngihluphe, and kwalokuhlupha ngiyaphasa ngathi hayi suka mnini MaKhumalo ke abize uMaYeni on a meeting, right, to try and squash this thing yokuthi hey ma what all right. In that meeting you could see ukuthi uMaYeni ubhorwa nje ukuthi, like, can we really sit and discuss this, you know? But what I like about the whole thing is that she told uMaKhumalo the truth ukuthi, mina girl, I don't see ukuthi bemele size sifike la sizoyixoxa kaso le ndaba. But uMaKhumalo kusho ukuthi yena vele bengamphathanga kahle ugel, wathi no, asiyikhulumeni siyidiscusseni. And you would see ukuthi it's actually smallest nyana things or the lightest of things that are making these women fight. And even though the fights are about low-key about Umseleku, but they're still outside Umseleku. They're about how they carry their households. Unless if you understand that now, how they carry their households and how they individually raise their children. Because Umseleku might be the father, but he's not always there because he's got 4 wives. But the mothers are always there for the kids, and the direction goes ihamba ngabo. If you understand. So uMaKhumalo no MaYeni at this point, one of the dynamics that they're making each other like be in conflict, one of those things is how they are raising their children and how they teach their children to speak nabantu abadala. Hayi ngichazwe ile part le uShibase athi yabona khona ezinye izinto empilweni la uzothi uyayikhuluma into uvela ubona ukuthi yakahle kahle le ngabe ngiyindlulisile. Ene she's right, because uMaYeni like is very right there. Yabona in life, or maybe ukuthi mele uhlukumezeke to a certain extent bese kana you understand that principle. In life there are other things, when they happen you just look at them and say, oh okay, this is not worth fighting for, and then you move, you forgive, then we are humble whether the person has asked for forgiveness or not. And that's called maturity, because not everything needs to be set on the table for. So when it comes to that part, I agree with her, but at the same time uMaKhumalo ulimele, and uyambona ukuthi ulimele because as much as Ushibase tries to tell her ukuthi this is not as much of a big deal than like you are making it, but girl is just insisting to say, but this is my point, like this is where I am. But at the end of the meeting they have spoken. Maybe mabaye toilet individually, but busy number 2 they will digest the issue and see it in different ways or in each other's views. But there was no hugging, there was no kissing, their relationship remains the same. Yeah, hayi kumnandi Uthando Nes'Thembu. Wena come here next week. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.